This is very simple dishcloth pattern. In this video I will teach you how to make this simple and easy crochet dishcloth. If you want to buy this dishcloth, then you visit my Etsy shop. Let us start how to make this crochet dishcloth. Hello friends, for this pattern you will need this type of cotton thread. This is a cotton thread for crochet work, and one 2.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First you make one slip knot, and make 24 chains. You make 24 foundation chains. 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. You make total 24 foundation chains. You take total 24 foundation chains and then make one more chains, count as a first single crochet, and make one single crochet in the next stitch. Make one single crochet in each stitch around. One single crochet in each stitch. You repeat this stitch in this round. I have completed my single crochet stitch, and then this is the last stitch of this round, and for next round you make 2 chain and turn your work, and these 2 chains count as a first half double crochet, and make one half double crochet in next stitch, and you make one half double crochet in each stitch in this round. You repeat it, one half DC in each stitch around. For next round you make one chain and turn your work, and then you make one single crochet in the back stitch of the every chain, every stitch. This is the stitch. This is the front side loop and this is the back side loop, and you working on only the back side. you make one single crochet in every backside loop or backside stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in this round, one single crochet. I have completed my one single crochet into the backside stitch, then make 1 2 chain, count as a first half DC, and turn your work and make 1 half DC in each stitch around. This is very simple pattern and it looks very beautiful. You repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my half DC stitch, half DC round, and then you repeat the single crochet line, and after that you repeat the half DC line, and you repeat the alternate line in these two stitches, and you make as you make the length or size as per your requirement. And here I am making, here I have made the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 lines of this stitch, 10 lines of single crochet, 10 lines of the this half DC. You repeat the same pattern as per your required size. Hello friends, I have made this dishcloth in a square shape, and this is the last round. Here this is the corner of the square. Here you make 2 chain, count as a first half DC, sorry, and you go to the next stitch and make 1 half DC. You make 1 half DC in the every stitch in this round, and you make in 3 half DC stitch in corner space or corner stitch. You repeat the same stitch in this round. This is the corner area. Here I am making 3 half DC stitch in the same stitch, same chain or same stitch, and then go to the next stitch of the other side. Make 1 half DC in each stitch, and then you make the 3 half DC stitch in the next corner. I have completed my square, and this is the very soft and beautiful dishcloth, and you can make it easily, and you fold it. This is the square shapes dishcloth, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.